everyone, it is Miss Queen back here. That was a bit of a we're still fit some merchant sauce. Which no, I'm not gonna use this. Dash. Weak. 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 Who are you saying weak? Oh lord. Oh no no no. I used to have that much. I don't know where it went. Music. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. Let me just type in the music. What music do we like the most? Okay, I like so it is 2512, right? 2512. Hey, hurry up, hurry up. 2512. 686. 1265. Can't see it. 25126. 25126. 68. 634. 634. Got it. I understand. I wanna have rainbow fire. Shit. I'll just have red fire. Points. Right. Escape the faculty. No. Go, 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 go. Get the green. So can we get do this shit ass thing. I'm a winner. I'm a winner. I'm a winner, people. Come on, get in. Oh my lord. Honestly, people, hurry up. Not got time, not got time left. Oh, the water is rising. The water is rising. Hurry up and get in, people, because I can't be bothered waiting for people to get the full game. Yes, okay, so can we just like, oh lord, lord, get in, get in. And you're a winner. So crazy in love. Hurry up, people, there's only 3 out of 5. I might do a video of me playing the piano. I don't know. I'll do this. Okay. I'm just gonna go straight into this because I know it's mean, but Lord, I don't even care. I just gonna get into it. This is my favorite one. It's even recorded. Got me looking so crazy right now. Love's got me looking so crazy right now. It's so crazy right now. Love's got me looking so crazy right now. So crazy right now. Love's got me looking so crazy right now. So crazy, so love, looking so crazy in love. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, la, la, la. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, go, 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 go. Yes. Yes, okay. Wait, hit. One, go. Right, people win this time. Okay, people win. Win, why am I doing easy? I don't understand that. Don't ask why I'm doing easy. I just want to do easy, okay? Easy is just easy. Oh, for fuck's sake. I want to die right now. It looks like, oh, it instantly looks like a lot bigger for some reason. Okay. But yeah. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Oh, oh, fudgy nuggets. Right now, your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Leave me right now. Crazy. This is my favorite one because I can just like, oh, lop it up there. Then it's down here. Oh yes, music. When you annoy people. Got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Right now. Come on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a fifth one somewhere out there. Looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. So crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Save me right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. So crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. It's like, if I meet someone that's good, oh, that's just out of order. Let's go, guys, I'm sorry. We go, go here, and I literally need to get it right now. I think it's too soon to go get it, never mind. Come on, go get it, oh my lord, oh my lord. What do you not get about just go get the fucking thing, bit? There's like so... But see, I hate those people. The people that don't even help some people, that's just like mean. Just go help people if you can. Help people. Like, if you've got this, help people. Don't just do it for your own good, just help people. Even though I don't need to help people. As long as you're under the sweat, pardon me. Like, if you're near a blue button, don't just like fly past it. Touch it, it's like, it's nice. so crazy right now. Love's got me looking so crazy right now. So crazy right now. Love's got me looking crazy right now. Dude, that's just me. I'm excited for them. She's like, no. Let me just help them here. Oh, come on. That's just... Use that on purpose. Because you know I'm gonna, like, give it you. Right now, I'm just hitting the same button. Well, there's people that they don't have this. Feel sorry for them because it's a lot harder for them. Oh yes, this will be my 40. Come on, get up! Come on, 3 more people! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Keep it, keep it! Come on, get in, yes! Come on, get in! Don't leave me alone. Oh my god, just get the fuck in, just so I can fucking recharge. Oh my lord, just get the fuck in. Oh my lord, he's gonna die. I don't see him in my sight, so I think he might die. Where is he? Oh my lord, hurry up. Boy, you need to hurry up, you're gonna die. Come on, hurry up, don't use your... Come on, come on, come on. Well, I'll use... Oh, for fudge sake. Here I am, last time come on, help me. Oh my lord, you weren't even doing this one. You're so... Wow. Bosses is literally like so stupid. Oh, Lord save me. Right, I'm gonna go. This is Miss Queen Violet out. Bye.